Eli5. Why are European main city train stations so tall? Architecturally, as they were the new gates to the city, the first place you'd see arriving. Practically, the vaulted ceiling above the platforms is that high so the smoke and steam from the engines wouldn't suffocate the people on the platforms, because they were literally the gateway to the city. This was the first building you would see when you entered the city. So naturally cities would make them as extravagant as possible. Michigan Central Station was once a glorious entrance to Detroit, at least 13 stories tall. A train station makes for a good office building for commuters and a shopping center as well, and is being restored after about 35 years of disrepair. https://wiki/Michigan_Central_Station https://en.wiki.org/wiki/Michigan_Central_Station. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe for more content.